Hello students, today we are going to start a series of probability lectures in which we will do basics of the probability and finally we will do advanced level probability. Then what is the it is a very basic question. What is the probability? The probability means chance of happening an event is called probability. For example, chance of raining today is 40%. 40% means 40 over 100, and when we cancel out the fraction it will become 2 over 5. So 2 over 5 is a fraction and that is called the probability. That means the probability is represented in fraction. It is similar to percentage, but percentage may be exceed to 100%. That means if the price of a book is 50 rupees, then after 2 years it will be 150 rupees. That means how many percentage it will increase. That means difference. What is the difference between the two? That is 100 over original value multiply 100. That means 200%. 200%. The percentage can be anything, but chance of happening an event is should not exceed 100%. 100% means 100 over 100. That means it will be 1. So chance of any event cannot be more than 100%. It will be 100%. If the chance is 100%, that is called sure event. The chance of happening sure event is 100%. That means the probability is 1. That means probability is represented in fractions. In simplest form of fraction is called probability. In the same manner, the chance of coming head in a single throw of dice, in single throw of coin, 1 minute. It it should be a single toss of coin. In a single toss of coin is 50%. That means the fraction becomes 50 over 100, and finally the probability can be represented as 1 by 2. It can also be represented in decimal values. That means 0.5 is the probability. So that means the probability of sure event is 1. In the same manner, the probability of not happening an event, that means probability of impossible event. Impossible event is that event that surely not occur, is 0. 0% chance of any event is called impossible event. That is 0. 0% means 0 over 100, 0. That means chance or probability of an event start from 0. 0 can be the probability of impossible events, and it will be more than 0 or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 1. This is the range of probability. In the similar manner, the dice is thrown. The chance of coming even numbers is 50%. That means chance of or probability of coming even number in a throw of dice is 1 over 2 or 0.5 is the probability. That means here three things should be noted. Sure event, the event which will be certain to happen. That means Tuesday comes after the Monday, that is a sure event. The probability of sure event is 1. Probability of sure event is 1. And the probability of impossible event is 0. Then this is the range of probability. That means probability must be 0 or more than 0 and 1 or less than a 1. There is a question which cannot be the probability of an event. First option is 2 over 5. Second option is 0.8. Third option is 1.5. Fourth option is 3 over 2. Fifth option is minus 1 over 2. Then what is the range of probability? Probability should be greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 1. This is a proper fraction, its value must be less than 1. Then this should be the probability. 0.8 is also should be the probability, it is less than 1. 1.5 should not be the probability. 1.5 should not be the probability. Why? It is greater than 1. 3 by 2 is also improper fraction greater than 1. Then this should not be probability. Chance of any event, that is probability of any events, should not be g, should not be negative, cannot be the negative value, because the minimum value of probability is 0, not the negative. A student always face a problem in making the sample space or outcomes. Then there is a trick. Use all three heads in 3 coins of toss. There 3 coins, 1 2 3. Then first of all use head in all 3 coins. Then introduce tail. Okay, and shift the position of tail to there and there. This will be the 4 outcomes. After that introduce tail and introduce head and shift the position of head. You will find 8 outcomes. And what is the formula? 2 to the power n, that means there is 3 trials, that means 2 to the power 3 will be 8. If then what will be the number of events or number of outcomes if there are 4 trials of tossing a coin. That must be 2 to the power 4. That means 16. 16 should be the answer if 4 coins are tossed together or a single coin is tossed 4 times. In both the cases, the number of outcomes will be 16. Now the trial is for dice. Dice means single dice and die means plural. That is more than one dice. A dice is thrown, then the what should be the outcome? Outcomes means result. One should 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 number of outcomes. Here question arises, what are the even numbers? 2, 4, 6 is the even numbers, 3 even numbers. Odd numbers 1, 3 and 5 are the odd numbers. Prime numbers. 1 is neither prime nor composite, and 1 is not counted in prime numbers. Then 2 is the prime number, 3 is the prime number and 5 is the prime number. Number of prime numbers is 3. Number of even and odd both 3. Odd is also 3. Then composite. 1 is neither prime nor composite. Then the first composite is 4 and second composite is 6. That means composite. How many composite outcomes? The composite only 2, 4 and 6. If number of trial is 2, that means 2 die are thrown together or a single dice is thrown twice. It should be make like this. The one dice may show 1 and another dice may show also 1. That means um, 1 should be fixed in the first row, 1 1 1 1 1 up to 6, and in second dice 1 2 3 4 5 6. In the same manner, I have changed only in the first position, at the position of, if we consider a coordinate, then the value of x is increases and here y is increases. In horizontally y is increases, that means 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 6 1 5 1 6, 6 events in a single row and 6 events in a column. There are total 36 number of outcomes. Result or number of events is 36. Question arises that sum, in how many events there is sum 8. Sum is 8. How many numbers? That means 8 is first number will be 2 comma 6, 2 comma 6, 3 comma 5, 4 comma 4, 5 comma 3, 6 comma 2. That means 1 2 3 4 5 events. There are how many? 5 events in which there is sum is 8. How many events sum exceeds 12? Sum exceeds 12. So there are no event in which the sum is more than 12. That means number of such event is 0. What is the doublet? Doublet means both the coins show the same number. That means 1 1 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5, 6 6. So doublet, how many doublet? So doublet is 6. In how many numbers? Sum is 11. Sum is 11, that means 5 comma 6 and 6 comma 5 is the only numbers in which sum is 11. Sum is 11, how many events? 2 only. Sum is 11. Only 2 events. That means any questions, if you write all the events in a throw of 2 die, or a dice is thrown twice, the question will be easy if you make proper, if you list proper outcomes in this manner. There is important formula to find number of events in a trial of dice. 6 to the power n, where n is number of trial. If a die, if a dice is thrown once, then number of outcomes will be 6 to the power 1 is equal to 6. N is 1. If number of trial is 2, that means if a dice is thrown twice, dice is thrown twice and 2 dice are thrown together, then 6 to the power 2 is 36. If a dice is thrown thrice or 3 dice are thrown together, number of outcomes will be 6 to the power 3, that means 216. This is the important formula to find only number of events. But to do questions we have to make outcomes or list all the outcomes so that we can study the events to do respective questions. Pack of cards. There are total 52 cards in which 26 are black and 26 are red, and all cards are divided into 4 different types of cards that are called suits. There are 4 types of suits: diamond, heart, spade, club. Each one of them is 13, 13, 13, 13. That means diamond and heart are red cards. Total red card is 26, and spade and club are black cards. Total black cards are 26. A single suit contains these types of card: king, queen, jack. These are called face cards. Ace and counting number 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 cards are numbered card in a single suit. King, there are how many total king? That means each one have one king. One, 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 one. That means there are 4 king in which 2 are red and 2 are black. All cards are 2. Queen is also 2 black, 2 red. Jack is also 2 black, 2 red. And ace is also 2 black and 2 red. There are total 36 counting numbers in which how many red and how many black? That means 18 black and 18 red. Face card is important. There are 12 face card. And how many black king? The two black king. There are total 4 black king. Then how many black king? The two black king. How many red face card? Face card total face card is 12. How many total face card is 12? In which 6 will be red and 6 will be black. There is a question. A coin is tossed twice. Find the probability of getting two head, at least one head, no head. First of all, we have to prepare list of outcomes. Two coins are tossed. That means head in the first coin and head in the second coin. Head in the first coin, tail in the second coin. Tail in the both the coins, and tail in the first coin, head in the second coin. This would be the possible number of this would be the possible outcomes. Total outcomes is 4. 4. The formula of probability can be written as probability of an event. Is for event. Is event. Probability of an event can be written as number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. It in short form it can be written as number of events. That means which event we have to find out. That means two head is the event, at least one head is the event, no head is the event. The question which we have to find is considered at event. And total element in sample space. That means total number of outcomes. In short form, this can be written, and this can be also used in board exams. In first question we have to find two heads. Two head is only one. That means number of event is 1 and number of sample space is 4. Then what is the required probability? NE divided n means number of events divided by ns, that is 1 by 4 is the required result. This can be converted in decimal as 2.0.25 is the problem is the required probability of two head. At least one head. At least one head means one head or more than one head. One head, two head. That means here in say part second number of events is 1, 2, 3. Only we exclude tail in which there is no head, that is 3, and ns is 4. Ns will never change in a single trial. That means required probability is 3 over 4. No head. No head means Here is there is head, there is head, there is head. No head means only tail. There is only one tail, one. That means the required probability will be, what is the required probability? That means 1 over 4 is the required probability. Three coins are tossed together. Find the probability of getting exactly one head, at least one tail, at most one head. First of all, we have to prepare outcomes. Head, 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 tail, tail, head, head. Okay. Then tail, 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 head, and head, tail, head, tail, and head, tail, tail. Here is also 1 minute. T is shifted to middle position. That means head, tail, head, and last one is tail, head, head. Total 8 outcomes. Total number of outcomes is 8. In a single trial, number of outcomes will not change. This is fixed. In first question, we have to find exactly one head. Exactly one head means 1, 2, and 3. In 3 events, there is exactly one head. Number of event is 3. Then what should be the probability? Probability of an event is written as number of events divided by number of sample space or number of outcomes. 3 over 8 is the required answer of the first part. In second part, at least one tail. At least means, what is the at least? What is the meaning of at least? So at least means more than or equal to, more than or equal to. So at least one tail means one tail and more than one tail. One tail and more than one tail. One tail is the one tail, one, two, three, one tail, and more than one tail means all these. That means what will be the number of events of at least one tail. That means only except this number, all should be the required event where there is one tail and more than one tail. That means number of event is 7. Then probability is 7 over 8. And in third part, there is at most. What is the meaning of at most? At most means less than or equal to. Less than or equal to. At most means less than or equal to. At most one head. That means one head and less than one head. One head means this. Less than one head means zero head, and this. There are four events in which either there is one head, one, two, three, and no head is this. That means in at most one head, number of event is four. Then required probability is 4 over 8, that is 1 by 2, or 0.5 is the answer. In fraction, answer should be left out, or 1 by 2 is the answer, or 0.5 should also be written. Two dice are thrown, find the probability of getting a doublet. Sum is 8, sum is more than 12, sum is 12 or less. What is the doublet? The doublet is 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 and 6 6. The number of event is 6. The number of sample space is 36. Then required probability is number of sample space or outcomes is 36. Number of formula is number of favorable outcomes or event divided by number of sample space or outcomes. 6 over 36, that means 1 over 6 is the required answer. First part is done. Sum is 8. Sum is 8. That means in first row maximum sum is 7, and in second row the maximum sum is 8. That means this is counted. 1 3 comma 5 is also 8, 4 comma 5 is also 8, 5 comma 3 and 6 comma 2. 1 2 3 4 5. That means in second part number of event is 5. Therefore probability is 5 over 36. 2 comma 6, 3 comma 5, 4 comma 4, 5 comma 3 and 6 comma 2. 1 2 3 4 5. Sum is more than 12. Maximum sum is 12. Therefore there is no any event in which there is sum is more than 7. That means such events are 0. Therefore probability is also 0. This is called impossible event if the probability is 0. Sum is 12 or less than 12. Maximum sum is 12 and all the events there is less than 12. That means this is equal to the sample space, that means 36, and probability will be 36 over 36. Probability is 1. This is called sure event. A card is drawn from pack of 52 cards. Find probability of getting a face card, red card, ace of heart, red spade and black queen. The total sample space or number of outcome is 52. In first part, total face card is 12. Then number of event is 12. Then probability is 12 over 52. It will be cancelled out by 4. 4 3 is 12 and 4 13 is this. Red card. There are total 26 red card. The probability of red card is 26 over, what is the formula? Probability of an event can be written as number of favorable outcomes, that means number of event upon number of sample space or number of outcomes. This will be 1 by 2. Ace of heart. Ace is total 4 and 1 in each suit. That means one diamond ace, one spade, one heart, and one club. That means here number of event is only 1. Then probability is 1 over 52. Ace of heart. Red spade. Spade is black, okay? All spades are black. Then number of red spade is 0. Then probability is 0 over 52, that is 0. Black queen. There are total 4 queen, 2 are black and 2 are red. Then black queen is 2. Number of event is 2. Then probability is 2 over 52. That is 1 over 26 is the required answer. Cards are numbered from 10 to 90. One card is drawn at random. Find the probability of getting a perfect square. First of all, we have to find how many cards. There is two type of question. One is from and another is between. And if we have to find from number, then we should subtract both the numbers and add 1. From means both the numbers are included. Then that will be 81. If cards are between 10 to 90, then both the cards are not included. Then total number will be 90 minus 10 minus 1, that is 79 is the required number of cards. Both the concepts are very important. If number of outcomes is wrong, the whole question will be wrong. Then that means number of sample space or number of events, no, number of sample space or number of outcomes, total number of outcomes is 90 minus 10 plus 1. That means 81 is the total number of outcomes. In first part we have to find perfect square. Perfect square means after 10 the first perfect square is 16. Okay, then we have to find only the square. 16 is the square of 4. That means 4 square, 5 square, 6 square is 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square is 81 and 10 square is 100. But the largest number is 90. Then these are the events 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and your required probability is 6 over 81, 3 2 just 6, 27. 2 by 27 is the required answer. A two-digit number. We see all the numbers, all the card numbers is two-digit number. That means all the sample points, all the events are two-digit number. That means 81. The probability is 81 over 81. That means 1. A number divisible by 5. How many numbers are divisible by 5? if if there are a small number of events, then we should write all the numbers. Otherwise we can apply arithmetic progression method to find number of events which are divisible by 5. The first number is 10, which are divisible by 10. 10, 15, 20, and 90 is the last number which is divisible by 5. We can apply the formula of AP. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D and find n. N is the number of event. 90 is the last number, first number is 10, and we have to find n, and common difference is 15 minus 10, that is 5. This will transpose to that there, that's 80, n minus 1 into 5, then n minus 1 will be 80 over 5, that is 16. And n is 17. N is 17. That means number of events is 17 and probability will be 17 over 81. This is the required answer. Find the probability of having 53 Sunday in a non-leap year and in a leap year. First we have to find how many week in a leap year. That means in a non-leap year there are 365 days. If we divide by 7, 7 is the days in a week. 7 5s are 35. 7 to so the 14. One is called odd number. Odd number means there are odd number of days. There are 52 complete week and one extra day. That means one out of 7 days of a week can be 53, can be 53 week. Fifth, any week, that means Sunday, Monday, Tuesday to every days of the week must be 52 in a year. And one out of 7, one is the odd number, and 1 out of 7 days will be 53 in a year. What is the meaning of this? That means if 1st January is Sunday, then there will be 53 Sunday in that year. Okay. That means the required probability is 1 out of 7 days. That means there is chance of only 1 out of 7 days to be 53 Sunday in a leap year. This is the required answer, 1 over 7. That means the first part of the answer is 1 by 7, and the second part, in a leap year there are 366 days. Only we have to find odd number of days. 3 fives are 7 fives are 35, and 7 twos are 14. That means there are two odd days. What is the meaning of this? 2 out of 7 days will be 53. 52 complete weeks. And what is the meaning of odd days? That means 2 out of 7 days will be 53 in that year. That means the required probability is 2 over 7. This is very important question. We have to learn the probability of an 53 Sunday or any day, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. In a leap year is 2 by 7, and a non-leap year is 1 by 7. Aditya and Radha are good classmates. What is the probability of having same birthday, different birthday in a year? We consider a non-leap year 365. If there is no any mention that it is a leap year or not, we consider a non-leap year. Same birthday means, suppose both have same birthday, 25 March. That means this is the single day in a whole year. That means the required probability of same birthday will be only one day out of 365. Both have same birthday, that means that is a single day. That is 1 over 365. Different birthday means, suppose Aditya have birthday 25 March and Radha have 22 September. 2 days out of 365. That means the required probability of different birthdays 1 minute. Different birthday means both have not same birthday. That means we can apply the formula of having an event and not having an event. This is called not E. The probability of having an event and not having an event is 1. That means if the probability of having an event is 0.2, then probability of having a not the event is dash is also represented as not, that is 1 minus 0.2, that is 0.8. This is the important formula. PE plus not P not E is equal to 1. And same birthday, suppose same birthday is E and different birthday means E naught, that can be calculated as 1 minus PE. 1 minus 1 by 365, that is 364 by 365. This is the required answer. That means chances of same birthday is 1 over 365. If both have different birthday, that means the chance of same birthday is subtracted from the whole. 1 minus 1 by 365, that is 364 over 365. An urn contains some red and 12 black balls. Urn means containers or any bag. If probability of red card is 3 by 4, then find number of red cards. Also find the probability of black cards. Suppose there are X red cards. Let number of red card is equal to X. Then total number of outcomes will be X plus 12, and this will be the probability of event, because probability of red card is given as 3 by 4. And when we apply formula, and E means X is the probability of red, is X is the number of X red card, and total number of outcomes will be, total cards will be X plus 12, and that is given as 3 by 4. Cross multiply 4x is equal to 3x plus 36. 4x minus 3x is equal to 36. Then red card is 36. Red card is 36. We have to find the probability of black card also. That means probability of black cards can be find as 1 minus 3 by 4. That is 1 by 4. What is the formula for that? Probability of red card, that means non-black, plus probability of black. Probability of B and probability of not B must be 1. Then probability of non-black means red card, probability of red card is 3 by 4. and we have to find probability of black card. That is 1 minus 3 by 4. That is 1 by 4. Also we can find direct by applying direct formula. Total number of red card is 36 and black card is 12. Then total sample space will be 48, and we have to find probability of red card black card. That means it will be 12 over 48, that is 1 by 4. Cards are numbered between 50 to 100. One card is drawn at random. मतलब अचानक randomly means without seeing. Find the probability of getting a two-digit number, a perfect cube, a three-digit number, a number divisible by 8. First of all, we have to find total number of cards. If between means both the numbers are not included, that means number of if total outcomes will be 150 minus 50 minus 1. 100 minus 1, that means 99 is the required number of outcomes. A two digit number means 50, from 50 to from 50 to 99. From means subtract both the numbers and add 1. 49 plus 1, 50. That means required probability is 50 over 99. A perfect cube. The first cube after 50 is 64. 64 is the cube of 4. That means 4 cube is 64. 5 cube is 125. And 6 cube is 216. But the last number is bit, less than 150. 150 is not included. That means only two events. Required probability is 2 over 99. 2 over 99 is the required probability. A three digit number means three digit number starts from 100, from 100 to less than 150 means last number is 149. Between means both the numbers are not included. Then number of events will be 149 minus 100 plus 1, that is 50. That means required probability is 50 over 99. A number divisible by 8. A number divisible by 8. First number after 50 which is divisible by 8 is 56. 8 7, 8 into 7 is 56, and after that 8 is added, another one is 64. In the same manner, what is the last number? That means we have to divide by 8. Last number is 149. 8 ones 8 1 8, 8 into 1 8, 6, 8 8, 8 into 8 64. That is 5. 5 is the remainder, and if we subtract 5 in 149, that must be divisible by 8. 144 is the last number, and we can apply the formula of AP. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. We have to find N. This is 144. First number is 56. Common difference is 8. 64 minus 56. That means N minus 1 into 8 is equal to 144 minus 56. N minus 1 into 8 is equal to 14 minus 6, 8. 13 minus 5 is also 8. N minus 1 is equal to 88 over 8, that is 11, and N is equal to 11 plus 1, that means 12. 12 is the required number of cards which is divisible by 8. Then what is the required probability? 12 upon 99. Cancel from 3, 3 4, 3 3, 3 3. 4 over 33 is the final answer.